Hi guys, Coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. This is our weekly schedule. The purpose of this weekly schedule is to cover all the important fundamental events that we are going to be dealing with for the next 2 weeks, right? Okay, before I go any further, I'd like to make a few notifications or announcements, I would say. Firstly, please understand that NASDAQ signals are sent in the WhatsApp groups only if we do not have news at all for that particular week, right? So if there is no single trade in that particular week, that's when you're gonna get the NASDAQ free technical signals. But if we have one or more news, you will not get them, right? I hope that is clear. Now, the only group that gets more market direction signals is the FBK market direction one, which is an extra service, right? So they get that because sometimes there are losses that side. So whenever there's a loss on the direction, for example, the NZD event was horrible for both direction as well as the 1 minute strategy, So for such cases, whenever there is a loss, then that's when they get one or more NASDAQ signals. So don't confuse the two. And that is the current direction wave is third wave, closing on the 1st of August. Visit the website fbkmarketdirection.com for more information. Otherwise, we're going to have to wait for fourth wave in October. Right? That's number one. Number two, I'm currently working on a seminar that will be in September, first week of September. I'm waiting for value confirmations and whatnot. So it will be a free seminar where I will be introducing the new version of the 1 minute strategy. I will only introduce if the seminar happens. If not, I will just find another way, but I will do my best to introduce the new versions before the end of this year, because the current versions that you guys are watching are more than 2 years old, right? So it's time to upgrade the strategies. And also, if you are new, remember you mustn't jump any step. In most cases, you will not even understand this video, what's going on, if you have skipped steps. You need to watch the introduction video, you need to watch the 1 minute strategy video, you need to watch the modifications video. Those videos which are in your account, they're very important. You also need to download the PDF. It's there on the website, on the homepage. You start with it actually so that you can understand the theory part. Then after you go to the introduction, the 1 minute and modifications, then you come to this video, and that's when you'll understand that when I say you are trading this event using the 1 minute strategy at 100 points or 110 or whatsoever, then you would know what to do. All the results that I'll be sending the results. It's actually Sunday when I'm recording this video. I'll be sending NFP results in the WhatsApp groups for motivational purposes. I'll be sending I forgot the other one. Just after NZD, there was another one. GBP, I think. I don't know. I don't remember. I'll also send the results for that for motivational purposes. But the NZD one was a loss for all fundamental traders, regardless of the method of trading that you might be using. So yeah, I hope that was clear for the new ones. And if you're not in the WhatsApp group, that's when you will miss the technical NASDAQ signals. So ensure that you're in the WhatsApp groups. The number is there, right there on the website, where you can text with your proof so you can get added to the group. Otherwise, Monday we are going to be, it's actually in the next few hours for some weird reason. We hardly trade on a Monday, so something is off. I'm just not sure if this event will move or not, honestly. But otherwise, it's there, the CPI NZD. So the pair that you're going to be using will be NZD USD at 100 points using the 1 minute strategy, right? But please lower your lot sizes because the spread can be pretty much hectic around those times, because there's what we call market reset. Brokers are different, liquidities are different. Other brokers reset their market at 11 p.m., other brokers at 12 p.m., and then FBK markets and other brokers it's at 1 a.m., right? So when the market resets, the spreads tends to be higher than normal, right? It's not even an event. It's just the market resetting the chart and everything approaching the new day, right? So trading an event around this time, it's extremely dangerous. So please lower lot sizes. So it's gonna be the market reset spread plus the event spread. So it's gonna be pretty much hectic. You cannot risk way too much because you're gonna get hurt on this one if it moves. I just don't have enough confidence. So yeah, that's the event. Quarter to 1 a.m. South African time. NZD as the pair 100 points. Then Tuesday we are not trading anything. Wednesday we are not trading anything. The next trade will be on Thursday. Thursday we'll be trading the euro interest rate at 2:15 p.m. right? So it's going to be 110 points using the 1 minute strategy, and you can also use modifications only for this one, only for this time, let me put it that way, right? Then from there, Friday we're not trading, so we're only trading 2 times. That is Monday morning NZD, as well as on Thursday in the afternoon, that is the euro event. Then from there we are done for the week, and then we move to next week. Next week, Monday we're not trading, Tuesday we're not trading, Wednesday we'll be trading the CPI event at 3:30 in the morning. So the pair is AUD/USD at 100 points using the 1 minute strategy. Then later on it will be an interest rate under USD, so the pair will be USD JPY at 110 points using OMS. OMS is 1 minute strategy. And then Thursday 3:30 a.m. is going to be AUD again. The pair is AUD/USD at 100 points, but the retail sales is no longer powerful, so you can trade it for practice purposes. I wouldn't say you should go big on this one. And then that's just about it. So next week, from the 25th of July approaching to the first week of August, we'll be having 2 trades so far. That is the CPI under AUD, actually 3 trades. CPI under AUD on Wednesday, then later on interest rate, and then after that in the morning on Thursday retail sales, and then we are done for the week. So this week and next week there are no Nasdaq signals. That other week, if there are no fundamental news, that's when you're going to get Nasdaq signals. So all the Nasdaq signals that I might post or send in the groups whatsoever, in case you're new, those are the signals which were sent before, or alternatively those were the signals which were sent to the third wave market direction group whatsoever. Otherwise, I think I've covered all the important things. That's just about it. Now, new ones, please understand that this is not a get quick rich scheme. This is going to be quite a hard journey. You must practice on your demo account before you attempt to use a live account, because you're gonna lose money, right? So it's always best to ensure and understand what is it that you're trading before you risk real money, because I know you guys are desperate to an extent that you just want to trade and make money, and then when you lose, it's more like the strategy is not working whatsoever. So the results that I will send in the group, it's people who are getting the same service, same information as you. The only difference between you and them is the attitude and commitment towards the graph. Otherwise, thank you and all the best.